Hi guys, welcome back on board of the Crypto Cruise. It's me, Chris, and today we're going to talk about DOGECOIN, what DOGECOIN is all about, what makes it unique. We're going to talk some chart analysis, potential price target. Of course, we're also going to talk about Ethereum, where Ethereum is heading. And today's show, we're going to start with the Bitcoin chart, as we always do. And we're experiencing quite a correction right now, which I don't think is going to last long. And potentially, October usually is a bullish month. So I'm anticipating a recovery and potentially by end of October start hitting all-time high. So right now we have to wait and see. I don't think we're gonna go below this local low here, price of around 107,000 that we've actually tested at end of August. A price of around 107,000. So I don't think Bitcoin is gonna go all the way there. Potentially we can form a double bottom formation, which is a bullish structure for continuation of the trend to the upside. Now we have to look at it at the bigger picture, guys. Now, corrections like these, yeah, they can be unexpected. They can last for a few weeks, for even a few months. But at the end of the day, we have to concentrate, as I've said, in the bigger picture. We're in a raging bull market. The bottom of the bear market happened in November of 2022 at price of around 15,000. And at time for recording this video, Bitcoin is around 110,000. So we're in a definite bull cycle. And corrections like this, they don't usually last long. And they're actually for buying. And they're actually healthy for the overall trend. And yeah, we have to follow the trend until it's our friend. As I've said, correction, nothing goes in a straight up line. Of course, along the way, we're gonna experiencing correction like this, but they don't usually last long. I think October and usually October, November, December is the most bullish period of the year. So I'm anticipating higher prices for Bitcoin, but not only for Bitcoin. Let's just talk about Ethereum. I see nothing but bullish momentum. Of course, again, we're experiencing a correction, but we're basically just testing this previously resistance line that we've tested multiple times in the past, starting from 8th of November, its previous all-time high, 8th of November 2021, price of around 4,868. We tested it here in March of 2024, we tested it in June of 2024, we even tested it at the end of last year, price of around 4,000. While everyone was thinking we're going to break above this resistance line, we actually capitulated. And the V-shaped recovery, last month we hit all-time high price for Ethereum. And basically right now we're just consolidating at its previous all-time high for continuation of the trend on the upside. And we also formed this huge ascending triangle pattern here, as you can clearly see, starting from March of 2024, almost a year and a half ago. And if we measure it from the bottom to the top, the price target should be above 6,600. And this is something potentially can happen by end of October, early November. I'm not going to be surprised at all if Ethereum goes absolutely ballistic. We just have to look what happened here previously. Basically from April, Ethereum went to 1,200. And by August, which was like 3-4 months, we went 5,000. So altcoins can be quite explosive. So don't blink. And as I've said, right now we're correcting and we're finding this previous resistance. We turn it into support for continuation of the trend on the upside. And as I've said, we have on the yearly chart, we have this huge reverse head and shoulders pattern. And not only that, we have this huge bullish ascending triangle pattern that the price target should be above 6,600. And let's see how this thing is going to play out. But as I've said, corrections like this, they don't last long and they're actually for buying. Now when it comes to DOGECOIN, there's a lot of bearish sentiment. Now let's see how this thing is going to play out. Anything I say in this video, it is not a financial advice, it's for pure entertainment purposes. And before you do anything, do due diligence and make your own research, because as I've said, this is not a financial advice. I mean, am I projecting 100 to 200x for Doge? No, absolutely not. But at the time of recording this video, one Doge is around 22 cents. So is it possible to go 120, 150? Potentially, yeah, 5x from here, 5 to 7x from here. Yeah, absolutely. I think that's potentially plausible, and that's even probable. What I'd like to see for DOGECOIN to remain bullish is basically go above this resistance line that we've tested multiple times in the past. We tested it in October of 2022. We tested it here at price of around 23 cents in March of 2024. and we tested it not long time ago. On 8th of September, we tested it again. We actually now broke down a little bit. We're experiencing this correction, but I don't think it's gonna last long. We're gonna go with test it in the immediate short term. Let's say next month, October, November, we test this price target of around 30 to 33 cents. We come back, turn this previous resistance, turn it into support, and I'd like to see to take out this local top at price of around 50 cents that we formed at the end of last year in December of 2024. Potentially take out this local top, and I see Dogecoin quickly going to its previous all-time high at around 70 cents. Once we go and reach this price target of around 75 cents, then and we break above it, then we can have full price discovery, and basically from 75 cents, Dogecoin can double in price, basically go to $1.50. Potentially something like that can play out, and it can go. Dogecoin can go really high, really quick. So I just want you to know that. We just have to look at what happened previously in 2017 bull cycle, the 2021 bull cycle. So if history is an indicator, Dogecoin can potentially repeat some of these moves. And as I said, Dogecoin can be quite explosive, and we can be bearish for many years, and then all of a sudden, in a matter of 2-3 months, Dogecoin can quickly snap and goes absolutely nuts and goes absolutely ballistic. And again, Dogecoin can easily go to zero, so always do diligence and make your own research, but I'm being conservative. So basically right now it's around 22 cents to 150, it's around 7x. Considering the fact that what happened previous bull cycles went 100, 200x, 7x is pretty much nothing. But that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate all support. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do it. It's absolutely free. And if you want to subscribe to my Patreon and really support my work, that would be absolutely amazing. With that subscription comes exclusive content with the most undervalued, underappreciated coins out there. Some of them 50, 100x potential. One consultation of how to navigate through that bull cycle. Basically how to set up a long position or a short position. I'll teach you how to do that. And not only that, my 2 books of how to become a sophisticated trader. Once again, guys, thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Goodbye.